In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on stocks. Canceling on StockX comes down to timing and order status, so I'll walk you through exactly what to check and what to do next. First, open the StockX app or website and head to Buying, then Orders. Find the order you want to cancel. The status you see here determines your options. If it says pending or awaiting shipment, there's a chance you can cancel. If it shows shipped, authenticating, or in transit, cancellation is typically not possible because the item is already on its way through the verification process. If you're in that early pending or awaiting shipment window and you see a cancel order button next to the purchase, click or tap it. Confirm that you want to cancel, and you should receive a cancellation confirmation on screen and by email. When a cancellation goes through, StockX initiates a refund to your original payment method. Keep in mind that banks and payment providers process refunds on their own timelines, so it can take a few business days to appear on your statement. If you don't see the cancel order button, that usually means the seller has already accepted and is preparing shipment, and the order has progressed too far to cancel directly. When you can't cancel from your account page, your next move is to contact StockX support as soon as possible. Go to the help or support section in the app or on the website and choose Contact Support or Live Chat. Have your order number and the date of purchase ready, and clearly explain your reason for cancellation. The key here is speed and clarity. Ask them to cancel before the seller ships. While support can't guarantee a cancellation at this stage, reaching out promptly improves your chances, especially if the order is still early in processing. Be polite and concise. It helps the agent understand and act quickly. If support confirms a successful cancellation, expect your refund back to the original payment method. You'll get an email confirmation, and the refund timing will vary based on your bank or provider. Keep an eye on your email and your account for updates until everything is finalized. That's the process. Check your order status, cancel directly if the button appears, and if not, contact support immediately with the details they need. Acting quickly makes all the difference on StockX, and staying within that pending or awaiting shipment window gives you the best shot at a straightforward cancellation and refund.